Hello seniors, we want to give you a quick overview of the path of your drive-through graduation ceremony on June 5th, 2020. Please have your ID ready as you'll begin at Station 1, which is at the Foster Gate by the tennis courts. The only way to enter here is by way of Fraser Street. Please note, cars coming from Baldwin Park Boulevard will be rerouted to Fraser. If needed, the pedestrian route begins here. Once on campus, you'll be directed to Station 2, the girls' PE area, where you'll be given your senior gifts. You'll then be routed to Station 3, behind the pool, to receive your diploma and name card. Please note you must present either your school ID or your California ID. As you leave Station 3, you'll be directed to form 2 lines that will route you to the stage. You'll drive through this area to Station 4 on the boys' PE basketball courts. The driver will be asked to stop at a designated spot where you will be able to exit the vehicle. Station 5 is the stage. You will line up practicing social distancing guidelines in preparation to have your name read and walk across the stage. This is where you'll receive your diploma case. Your picture will be taken as you walk off the stage, and this will be made available to you at a later date. The driver of your vehicle will be directed to park in front of the stage. Guests in the car may take pictures but may not leave the vehicle. You'll then get back in your car right after you walk from the stage. You'll proceed to the stadium gate exit. Here you'll have 2 options. Turn left to Station 7, and if needed, return borrowed cap and gown. Then exit the Francisquito Gate. Or, if you'd like to take your picture in cap and gown, you can enter the SV parking lot to proceed to Station 6, where 5 picture backdrops are set up for graduates and guests to take pictures. Please be thoughtful about time, as other graduates in cars will be in line behind you waiting for their turn. Once pictures are taken, return to the vehicle, and if you borrowed a cap and gown, it can be returned here at Station 7. Thereafter, please drive towards Francisquito Gate exit, right turns only. Remember to tune in at 6 p.m. at our SV Don's website to see the virtual graduation video. Congratulations, class of 2020. We are very, very proud of you, and we wish you all the best.